Today on offer at Maple Lane, we have a Portax LK by Böckmann. This one has a dark blue metallic roof and front bow and is deckled with the small Competition Decor. The LK version is an extra long version of the regular K model, and those of you that follow Böckmann know the K is the front walk-off trailer. So we have here set up as a rear ramp entry, though you can have it set up as a wing door and then make it a step up. You've got your 5-foot treaded Böckmann ramp, which is a patented design. You have two 33-inch wide stalls, and you have 7'7" internal height. This trailer has an aluminum plank flooring underneath that rubber matting, which has a 20-year warranty. You have anodized aluminum wall panels that are a double wall construction, so you have an air insulating pocket in the middle. And the 2 extra feet beyond what the normal K would have in front of the chest bar. So you can see 2 positions at the chest bar, so you can create whatever height you need for the horse that's riding. There are 3 positions at the back of the trailer, so you can make the stall length measure for the horses that you have on board. Double windows that are tinted along the side, they slide open. You have a roof vent in the roof. That's how air enters a Portax trailer. That's really important. You have an exit door on one side of the trailer, which is a little smaller, and a larger one on the driver's side. And of course, the K model is the front walk-off ramp. If you need to walk off a horse, you would take the guy on this side first. You would take your bucket down and you would walk him off the trailer. And then to take the second horse off, you would lower that chest bar. You're going to push your panel out of the way so that the horse on the passenger side now has room to walk out and move around. Line up and walk off. Now I've jumped back outside of the trailer and opened up the tack covered door and pulled out the saddle racks. You can see them here. So there's 2 of them. They're adjustable inside of their height. They just swivel back in and out of the way. You have a place for your crops or your whips. You have an extendable shovel for cleanup and also a broom, so you can clean up everything in your trailer. Light on the inside. There's also a light for the stall, blue and white light. Comes with the stool, comes with everything that you see here. This is the Portax LK, which is the extended version of the walk-off trailer, and it's here at Maple Lane waiting for you.